All right, guys. Hey, what's up? Hey, I have a quick one for you guys today. I don't know if you guys remember this one. Remember, it was tripping our limit switch. Remember that? Because of the filter that was super plugged. Because this was like a renovation type house that was doing renovations and all that stuff. And I came back and changed the filter, and it was tripping the limit and all that stuff. So I changed the limit, right? And I'm back here again because, they had no heat. And, it was tripping. It tripped the limit again. I just reset it. But this is the reason why. I'll show you. Right. Oh, come on. Come on. Sorry. Dang it. Sorry about that. I go like dust. Sorry. Yep, that's not gonna work. Well, that was it. Anyways, we'll show you how plugged this thing is. You can barely see light through that. I think that's it. That's better. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. Right? It's pretty bad. You can kind of see it, right? Yep, that'll do it. All that dust, it's not letting that return air cool down the heat exchanger enough. So, yep, this is what I'm here for today. Just the filter. And then obviously I'm gonna change it. Go through the sequence of operation one more time. Check our gas pressure is good because it is propane. Make sure that's good. And yeah, that's pretty much it's a short one for you guys. I'll get some footage of whatever else I'm doing. But for now, let's get a new filter in there. All right, remember, make sure you change the filters. All right, if you're a homeowner, change it yourself. Just get the filter size, just put it up there. Simple. Avoid these problems. All right, let's do it. Let's change it. See, you can clearly see a little better here how plugged that is. Hold on. Now, I'll show you. It's supposed to look like this, right? Look at that. Look at the difference right there. That's super dirty. This is super clean. So, there you go, guys. Make sure it looks like this, not like that. Let's change them. They had it up with the switch. So we're gonna flip that on. And get my little self up there. Oh, it smells so good. Sorry. And that's our unit all the way down there. So let's go get it. Bear with me. It's a lot harder to do with one hand. There we go. There's our beauty right there. All right. And our filter goes there. Remember, hold on. There's an arrow here. There's an arrow. The arrow points towards the blower, right? Towards the coil, right? That's how it goes. And it goes just like that. See? Simple. All you have to do, pull that out, right? Pull a new one in. You're good to go. So now it's time for us to turn this bad boy on. Oh, my door switch is not even engaged. Okay, well, I'm gonna need more tape. Okay. Anyways, let me put that panel back on there before I start this thing. It's not on because the door switch is. I don't know who ripped that off. Okay. Oh, good. We'll fix it. Let's see if that works. Ah, there we go. Kinda. I can always put this guy back on there. Which one was it? I think it's him. I'm not sure. Might be this guy. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right. Door's back on. All right. Got our light in there. Green light. It's on standby. There it is. All right. So we're just waiting for this thing to fire up and, you know, see what's up. There we go. Awesome. Okay. Make sure you lose draft, obviously, first thing. And then once that's set, pressure switch will close. Letting power to our igniter. Back there, the glow. Hot surface igniter. Looks like something like this. And I'll put it back there. It's glowing cherry red. And there's our gas valve. Opening. It's good flames. Okay. Going straight through the heat exchanger. That's what we want. So now we're just waiting for the blower to do its thing. Let's just start up any minute. Let's just watch our flames while that starts up, you know. Just watch the flame for now. Until the blower kicks on. Remember last time we adjusted the gas and all that stuff, so I'm not worried about that right now. Changed that limit, that rollout switch I changed already. So I changed the igniter and the flame sensor. These are just here to spare. This is a spare too, just in case. So I changed all that stuff on here. And obviously the filter. So it should be all good. Alright, so that's pretty much it. It was a quick one, guys. Just main point is, you know, always change the filters. That's usually the thing that, you know, goes bad, or like, you know, usually the problem will be the filter. You know, people just forget. This is something that you just forget, you know. So yeah, you can inspect the coil if you want. I did that last time. I might do it again, just to make sure. You know, take temperatures across and all that stuff. But yeah, just a quick one for today. You know, change those filters. You've seen me go to these jobs, and they, you know, the only problem will be the filter. So it's a common thing. All right. So yeah, thanks for standing by, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you for rocking and rolling again, like always. Let's keep it going. All right. So have a good one. All right. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the love. And yeah, I'm wearing gloves today. I'm out.